How to export as MP3 on ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can export MP3 on ClipChamp. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to export as MP3 on ClipChamp, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and load up ClipChamp and add the particular clip that you like to export the audio from, right? Then once you are here, you can see I've added the clip to your timeline, basically from media, import it here on timeline. Tap on the three dots here and you'll get the audio option right away. Tap on audio and you can see the mute option and you can see the detach. Now you want to separate your audio and video, and as soon as you detach it, so look up here. If I tap on detach here, it'll detach right away and you can see audio detachment in process, and now it has been detached, and as soon as I detach it, it'll be exported here. You can see it has been saved to downloads. If I open the file, it'll be saved into my downloads and it'll play as MP3. However, if you delete this video from here and then try to save or export this audio only, then it'll be exported as MP4 file. So you'll have to simply, all you gotta do is detach the audio and it'll automatically be downloaded to your device. So this is how you can export as MP3 on ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.